This question asks us to draw the transition state for this particular reaction with a delta H of minus 15 kilocalories per mole. And so since the delta H is negative, we know that the reactants are higher in energy than the products. And when we look at the reaction coordinate, we know that the transition state is close to the reactants, an early transition state. For this particular reaction then, what that means is the bromine is much closer to the carbon than the cyanide is, and the bromine has a very little negative charge on it, whereas the cyanide has a very large negative charge on it.